And get a bit of the crust this time. Oh, that's just not working. Oh, this is a, oof.
Hey guys, this is Inderpal, and as you know, summer is the time of love, food, and laughter. And a lot of restaurants and fast food chains always introduce new summer menus. And today, we're gonna be tasting White Spot's new BC blueberry pie. Now, they have said that this is the hottest pie in BC. So I asked some people here at Spice Radio to try White Spot's new BC blueberry pie and see what they feel about it.
I do like pie. I don't love all pie, and I'll be honest, I'm more seasonal about it. So like apple pie, pumpkin pie in the fall, winter, like really cozy stuff like that.
Yeah, pie's good. I'm pretty good with my desserts. I don't mind anything.
Yeah, I love pie. Yeah, I love pie. Pie is probably one of my favorite foods. Strawberry rhubarb. Strawberry rhubarb has got to be my favorite pie. I just go nuts for it.
So right off the bat, I'll tell you that I prefer like a homemade kind of pie, because usually otherwise they're just very sugary and the crust is just kind of put there, but we'll give it a try.
I mean, right now, as I look at it beforehand, I have to say that this looks more like a kind of like a blueberry compote, just sort of in a pie crust. I have to be honest, it doesn't look like the blueberries were baked, and personally, I feel like the blueberries have to be I feel like the filling has to be part of the actual cooking process for it to be a pie, but who knows?
I feel like I'm just gonna be eating like a pile of blueberries at this point, because this is not really a pie, because usually there's like a filling and the topping, and then you have the fruit on top. This is more like the crust and like fruit inside.
Wow, that is a lot of sugar. All right, let's see how it is. Gotta break up something too.
Oh wow. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. I'm gonna try and get a bit of the crust this time. Oh, that's just not working. It's a messy pie, and it's a stiff pie.
That's a whole lot of sugar. That's just literally sugar. Oh my God, this is sweet.
Yeah, I'm just gonna roll with my hands. Okay, pie filling is pie crust is it's nice. Nothing special, I'd say. Tastes like a just sort of like an average pie crust. Something you might make quickly or just buy from the store, but it's nice. The filling is actually really good.
I don't mind it. I like the syrup. No, the syrup's okay, but I can tell the blueberries are good.
Yeah, this isn't pie. This isn't pie. There's no filling or anything. It's like crust with blueberries and corn syrup.
It's not bad. It's like right in the middle. Like it's good. It's not that good, but it's not that bad. It's like,
this isn't really floating the boat for me. But yeah, I mean, to each their own, but not really my taste. Yeah, no, I mean, this isn't pie. There's no filling.
Do I get to finish this? I'm gonna be honest, I actually really like this. Yeah? Like, cards on the table, I'm not like a huge fan of blueberries, but this is actually really good. It tastes like they're like preserves. Like you can see like there's like an actual filling on there, like sort of like a blueberry sauce, and it actually tastes good.
I'm just being straight up honest. This is just not pie. No. There has to be layers and filling. I think they just got the crust and then they threw blueberries inside. But maybe other people might like it.
not bad. Not great though, but not bad.
Should I keep eating it?
No. I mean, I like this. If there was another option, I might like try that one out, not just because I don't like this, but because, you know, like, who knows, maybe it could be better. But yeah, no, I'd say if we're just going like classic ranking, I'd give this a solid like 7.5 out of 10. It's decent, you know?